Today we're diving into Anyword, an AI writing tool that promises to be a game changer for marketers. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look at how it works and whether it's worth your time and money. Anyword is designed to help marketers create compelling copy that converts. It uses AI to analyze your content and suggest improvements based on real-time data and audience insights. Right off the bat, the interface feels intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and seasoned pros to jump in. You can generate ad copy, social media posts, and even blog ideas in a matter of seconds. One standout feature is the predictive scoring, which estimates how well your copy will perform based on various metrics. This could be a game changer for anyone looking to refine their messaging. However, there's a certain level of ambiguity around how these scores are calculated, which might leave some users feeling a bit skeptical. Also, while the tool offers a range of templates, I noticed the lack of customization options that might frustrate more advanced users looking for a personalized touch. Overall, it feels like a solid tool for quick content creation, but might not satisfy everyone's needs. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Anyword excels in speeding up the writing process and offers valuable insights into audience engagement. The user-friendly interface is definitely a highlight, making it accessible for newcomers. On the flip side, some users might find the predictive scoring a bit vague, as it lacks detailed explanations on how it derives those numbers. Plus, while it can churn out content quickly, you may find the lack of deep customization options limiting if you're looking for more control over your copy. Pricing could also be a concern for some, especially if you're just starting out or on a tight budget. It's great for marketers who need quick solutions, but those in need of more in-depth capabilities might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, Anyword is a useful tool for marketers looking to streamline their writing process and gain insights into their content performance. If you're just starting out or need quick copy solutions, it's worth a try. However, if you need more customization or in-depth analytics, you might want to consider other options. Thanks for watching.